Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far. Shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us, hip hooray!
Hello, friends. It's time for another silly adventure with Milo the little dog. Let's see what he's up to today. Welcome, Bright Explorers. Today, Milo and his friends are playing a thrilling game of soccer. Let's see how it goes.
All right, Bella. Oliver, let's have some fun. I'll start with the ball.
You'll have to be faster than that, Milo.
Good strategy, Bella. But watch out. Here comes Milo.
The friends are really enjoying their soccer game.
Uh-oh. I think I kicked it too hard.
No need to worry, friends. Let's use teamwork to find the ball. Milo is looking for his ball, but can't find it.
Milo, are you sure you didn't bounce it too far?
Bella is trying to help Milo find the ball, but will they succeed?
Let's look for clues. We will solve this mystery together.
Oh, yes. Oliver is also helping, but will they still succeed? Time for a song. Can you help Milo find his ball? Let's sing together.
Go, where will it all? Let's search high, let's search low. Find it with a pause and low. Find it with a pause and low. Find it with a pause and low. Where did Milo's ball go?
I found it. It rolled under the bench.
Wow, this is wonderful. Milo found his ball, and his friends are happy. Great job, explorers. Today, we learned that teamwork and thinking can solve any mystery.
We had fun, we had cheer. See you again, come back here, come back there. Milo's world is full of fun. Join us next time, everyone. Join us next time, everyone. Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far. Shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing